tungkol sa bahay, na kaya niya ba yung lahat ng gastusin. Saan naman siya kukuha ng pera?
For the fixing of the house, so how will you get the money? Sa totoo lang, magastos talaga pagpapaayos ng bahay. Hindi tayo mayaman. Hindi nga ma-afford lahat.
Nahihiya din ako kasi sobra-sobra na. Pero kaya nga mahirap din. Siya lang nagtatrabaho, siya lang gumagastos, ako wala. Kaya medyo parang nahihiya din ako kasi sobra-sobra na.
She said it's really hard because she has no work and you have work. And then for the payment and the cost, it's too much. She's so shy about asking for it.
My situation here in Philippines is so difficult. I have job before pandemic, but it's very hard for me to find work right now. I feel embarrassed, but I don't have anybody in my family that can help me financially.
Alam ko yan. Tanong ko lang, and find a job siguro. Kung anong, makahanap ka ng work, tas may pera ka, pwede i-contribute sa pagpapaayos ng bahay.
Pwede kami mag-discuss. Pag hindi naman niya kaya yung mga gastos, wag na. Wag na pilitin.
If you can't afford, don't force it. Anong pakiramdam mo?
Paano pakiramdam ko? Kakaisipin niya, pera lang habol ko.
Maybe you think she wants your money? No, hindi.
Dadalawang isip.
You're having thoughts?
Hindi naman pera ang habol ko.
I am not want your money.